Okay, algebra, part 2. Do I have anything that I can factor out of here? Is there a number in front of my x squared? There isn't. So let's look at what I've got. So I have difference of squares again, because I've got a squared term, minus. So if you can write your answer down, do that right now. If not, well, let's figure out how to do this. My a times c is going to be negative 25x squared. Okay, that's negative. This is positive. So I'm going to have a plus and a minus here. I know that. What are my terms going to be? So I've got to go to 25. So I've got 1 and 25. 2 doesn't work. 3 doesn't work. 4 doesn't work. 5 works. 5 times 5. Okay, so positive 5x, negative 5x. Great. So I'm going to put my positive 5x in here and my negative 5x in here. I need to factor out going up. I've got x. Fantastic. I need to factor out going sideways. I've got x again because I've got x times x squared gives me x squared, or x times x gives me x squared. Okay. What about here? What do both of these have in common going up? That's positive, so a positive 5. What do both of these have in common going to the side? That's negative, so negative 5. And that's my answer. X plus 5 times x minus 5. Awesome. What about in number 8, where I do have something in common? I have a 2 in common. I can take a 2 out of both of these, correct? Can. So I'm going to get 2 times y to the 4th minus 25. Okay, so I filled in my a, I filled in my c based on my taking my 2 out. Got my b down here because there's no b in there. Why does it say y squared? Because if I divide that, I'm going to have a y squared down there. Because to get to y to the 4th, I have to have y squared times y squared. So, what's my a times c in here? Negative 25. And I already know that because I just figured it out. That's going to be plus 5 y squared minus 5 y squared, because again, y squared times y squared gives me y to the 4th. Okay, so my y squareds go in here. Plus 5y squared minus 5y squared. Okay, what can I take out going this way? Well, I can take out y squared. And what can I take out going this way? Another y squared. This is positive, so it has to be a plus 5. This is negative, so it has to be a negative 5. Okay, so I get 2 from this 2 here. And then I have y squared plus 5 and y squared minus 5. Now that one's a little tough if you didn't know what you were doing and you didn't watch the video earlier, but we can do it. All right, ask questions in class. God bless.